All right, we've got some changes obviously occurring this morning, and it's going to turn quite a bit colder for a lot of us heading through the day and then over the next couple of days too. So early in the week, a little bit blustery. Today, the winds will be gusty, and we'll keep some of that wind around on Tuesday as well. That's going to bring our temperatures down, but it's also going to make it feel a lot colder than what the thermometer says. Now, both Tuesday and Wednesday mornings will be frigid. We will likely have a hard freeze for some of us, with numbers getting down into the low 20s. It'll feel like it's in the teens and maybe even single digits at times because of the wind still hanging around. And then our next chance for rain doesn't return until late in the week and the start of the weekend. There's a live look over downtown Birmingham. We've got 51 degrees. You can see the camera lens shaking there, but just a beautiful view. Visibility is good. It's still a little bit damp as we've got a couple of very light showers still hanging around, but I really think once the sun comes up, a lot of that's going to be gone. We're down to 51 in the metro, 43 in Coleman, 41 in Haleyville, with the wind chill in Haleyville down to 34 already. So the wind chill is averaging in some of those colder spots across the north about 10 degrees colder than what the actual temperature is. And you can see on First Warning Live Radar a few spotty light showers still around. Much colder over the next couple of days, so 42 degrees for today. Tomorrow morning we will start in the 20s, 23 degrees for that morning low. We'll climb to about 43 by the afternoon. But again, wind chill values will be in the teens in the morning. This is daybreak on Tuesday. It'll feel like 15 degrees in Birmingham, and then it'll feel like it's in the 30s Tuesday afternoon. After another cold start to the day on Wednesday in the mid-20s, we'll recover a bit by the afternoon. New Year's Day actually looks to be really good, near 60, and then some showers start to arrive by Friday, and then they look to scoot out of here maybe as early as Saturday morning so we can enjoy a nice and dry weekend. Scott?
All right.